Jet Provost T3. By far the noisiest as we saw them fly past the Pratt & Whitney Wasp radial engine of 600 North American Harvard. One of the truly great training aeroplanes of all time, this. It has its roots in North American aviation, designed and first flew in 1935. Until a few years later when the 86 Texan advanced trainer started coming into sessionally themed names. It's very appropriate to choose the name of an American university for this American-built advanced trainer. What exactly do I mean by that? Well, it was a very... for the trainees to truly master. But the last example on British military charge was with Kinetic, the Test and Trials Organisation at Duxford. It wasn't retired until 2016. This was also on the Aircraft Restoration Company fleet. It's a Canadian-built Jet Provost T3. It's piston-engined Provost, which we were to have seen in the display today, but unfortunately aren't. But quite soon, they developed it into something rather more. And this was the result. This year, on the 26th of June 1954, the hunting test pilot Dick Weldon took the first prototype of the Mark I Jet Provost into the air from Luton Airport. It really soon proved its worth. The Mark I Jet Provost was a very strange looking aircraft indeed. It had an enormously tall, stalky undercarriage which made it look hugely ungainly on the ground. But it was a very nice aeroplane by all accounts to fly. When the RAF compared things, they found that the first students to train on the Jet Provost were managing to go... A very nice view of those on this pass. established on the export market, a large number of customers around the world selected the Jet Provost to meet their needs as well. Further developed into the Strike Master ground attack aircraft, which